Okay, can everyone see my screen right now?
Yeah, looking good.
Okay, right. So, thank you, Blaze. I'm so happy to be here tonight with a truly amazing person, with Michelle, with Yiting. I'm so happy to see everyone in the chat. So I'll go with my presentation. So as today, I'm going to share about integrating microbit in primary science teaching and learning. So basically, I'm teaching in an elementary school, and I'm teaching science. As Yiting mentioned just now, in Malaysia, we have basic programming subject elements or topics that are being taught in design technology, especially in primary 4 and primary 6, to primary 6, sorry. Okay, so this is the main subject, which is design technology, which implement or integrating basic programming. However, there are no specific subject that combine or use programming in other way. So this is the book. Okay, this is how they use the material, and it's actually new for me. As Michelle mentioned just now, I'm not a programming or expert in computer science, and I try to adapt or I try to integrate design technology with science by using microbit. And why I want to integrate microbit into science teaching and learning, because it helps the students to explore and expand their knowledge and also skills, especially in computational thinking, and also by doing so, they will have fun. So how I integrate microbit in primary science? Basically, I integrate in two ways. First is through directly and also indirectly. So how I use it directly, I use it by mapping it with specific topic in the curriculum itself. Okay, as for science, this is an example, primary 5 science. This is how I try to map it. But for example, for human topic, I try to make a simple project by building a movement counter. And as for animal topic, I try to help or encourage students to build a cat feeder. So this is how I map the topic with the activities itself. And as for the second one is project-based, which is the most popular method that being used by teachers all around the world to integrate microbit in their lesson. So by doing project-based, we can combine several topics in one single project, and we encourage students to share or introduce solutions or improvement towards a problem. Okay, usually people will, for project-based, people or teachers will introduce the students to solve a problem by searching for the right track or improve something based on their problem and directly to the solution. But as for me, I try to use backward method project-based learning, which I give them outcome that I want them to achieve and ask them to plan and solve it. So I'm using a different kind of project-based learning. And in backward method, I encourage students to think and explore ideas and possibilities to achieve the outcome instead of them searching for the problems and try to do it in a normal way. So this is the way I try to, I introduce the project to them. I ask them to, I give a situation and I ask them to find or plan the project. Sorry, too fast. And I ask them to propose or pitch their idea presentation, and at the same time, I teach them to code. Okay, problem is science education in Malaysia, we have limited of time. So what we do is I ask the students to join my session outside the school timetable. I mean, when they have free time, they can come to the lab and learn the code, so to complete their projects. And after that, I'll teach them or I assist them in the project development. And after that, they will present their project. So this is the project made by students, which actually won third place in a competition for the innovation project. So what she does is smart city, which using microbit as the core microprocessor.
Riyan,
Yeah, sorry.
I'm so sorry to interrupt. We're just we're starting to cut into next session time.
Okay,
I know
I'm
it's
so sorry.
short. No, that's okay. I'll just wanted to give you
Okay,
time to
I'll
wrap
try.
up quick.
Okay, so best project will be given opportunity to enter microbit competition representing schools, and this is one of the two students which managed to go to the national level to present their innovation project, and they won second prize for the project itself. For me, the most important thing is giving opportunity for students to explore and have fun at the same time. And the most important thing, don't limit their imagination, because from there they will learn more and more and try to expand their knowledge and skills. I think that's all from me. Thank you.